Hello, dear children. Today, let us begin with another grammar lesson, that is articles. So, you must have learned something about articles in your previous classes, right? So, first let us know what do we mean by articles. A, an and the are articles and they are used with nouns. So, mainly we have two types of articles. They are definite articles and indefinite articles. We will be learning that a little later in this session. So these articles are mainly used to point out at something. It may be anything or any people or any animal. It can be places also. For example, the bicycle that my dad gave me is red. Here I use the because to specialize on that bicycle which was gifted to me by my dad and which was red in color. The next one is, he gave me a book to read. Here also I am not specifying it in too deep, but it is yet specified. So there is a book which is given to me by someone. Let us now understand a feature of articles. A, an and the are articles and they come before nouns. So an important thing, this is a very important thing to note down, that the use of articles is only possible before a noun. For example, the house, a girl, an umbrella. You can see that house, girl and umbrella are the nouns respectively. So before nouns we always use articles. It depends. There are some cases where we do not use articles, but still in many cases there are articles used before nouns. So as discussed earlier, types of articles. Articles are broadly classified as two types, indefinite articles and definite articles. Firstly, let us understand something about indefinite articles. Indefinite articles are a and an. A and an are indefinite articles because they do not point at any particular thing or person. So when we are talking about anything in general, we use a and an, which are indefinite articles. As the name suggests, indefinite, which means not particular. So we use a and an. They always suggest any person or anything. That's true, that whenever we are speaking about anything in common, like it can be any house or it can be any table, we use a and an. For example, give me an apple to eat. Here you can see that we are referring to any apple. It can be anything, but it is an apple. So we are not definitely or particularly telling about a particular apple. It can be any apple. So let us learn in more detail about these indefinite articles. A is used before a singular countable noun that begins with a consonant sound. So here you can see that a countable noun. Countable noun means which can be counted and singular means which is only one. So these begin with a consonant sound. Consonants include all the alphabets except A, E, I, O, U. For example, a man, a baby, a university. You may see that university begins with U. But why are we using A before it? This is because of the sound from which the word is derived. Now you can see that for university it is U. So it starts with YU. So we use A instead of an. The second important point is, an is used before the singular countable noun which begins with a vowel sound. Vowels include A, E, I, O, U. This means that all the words which begin from these vowels have an before them if article is required. For example, an apple because apple starts with A, which is a vowel. An America. America, it starts with A, so we use an, which is a vowel. An MP. Wondering, right? Why do we use an before MP? Because MP sounds as E-M-P-E-E, MP. So it begins with E. Therefore, we use an before MP. Let us now understand a few uses of a and an. A and an are used to indicate one person or one thing that may be used for any person or anything. For example, a puppy came running towards me. In this sentence, I have not specified that a particular puppy, so I use a. As remembered, indefinite articles which are not particular to anything. So, a puppy, which means it can be any puppy. A and an are also used to show a kind, a class, or a species. So, for example, if you want to say, like, I have a bonsai tree, I'm telling that I have a tree which is of the bonsai class. A or an are also used to show a certain quality. For example, there are a dozen of oranges. So the amount, if you want to show any quantity, you can use a or an. These a or an indefinite articles are also used to show any rank or any profession or any religion, community, caste, etc. For example, for profession you can say, he is a doctor. He is an engineer. For rank we can say, she is a distinction holder. For caste we can say, he is a Christian. For community we can say, he lives in a community of villages. For the religion we can say, he is a Hindu. Let us now understand something about the definite article the. The is the definite article because it tells us something about a particular person, thing, or object. For example, the book that you gave me was interesting. So, in this sentence, I'm particularly talking about a book which was given to me by someone and that was very interesting. The uses of the. The is usually used before any noun when you want to particularize it. Particularize means when you want to pressurize on something. Like it is particular, it is nowhere else. For example, we lost the game against Delhi Daredevils. Here, I am speaking about a particular match which was played against Delhi Daredevils. The is also used before superlatives. Like for example, Three Idiots was the best movie of 2010. The can also be used before words like first, last, next, only, etc. So for example, Sir Edmund Hillary was the first person to climb Mount Everest. When we want to particularize, as told earlier in the definition, to particularize anything we use the. We also use the to pressurize or to talk about any common noun when the noun represents the whole class. So the tiger belongs to the cat family. Here we are saying the cat family because it is a family of cats. It's a whole class, not only a single cat. The definite article the is also used before the names of newspapers. For example, the Times of India, the Deccan Chronicle, etc. Unique things in the sense which are very different. So like the sun, the moon, the sky, the god, etc. Geographical proper nouns. So geographical proper nouns refer to things which are made up by the nature, like the Himalayan mountains, the Ganges, the Alps, etc. Holy or great books. Holy books, as the name refers, it refers to the religious books. So like the Gita, the Bible, the Quran, etc. Train, ship, aeroplane names and all those things we use the. The Taj Express, the Shatabdi Express, the Indian Airlines, etc. Well-known buildings. The buildings which are very familiar to all the people living around are known as well-known buildings. So like the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Hawa Mahal, etc. The directions. Directions in the sense we can say it as north, south, east and west as the main directions. Countries. The United Arab Emirates, the India, the Pakistan, the Australia, etc. The whole families. If we want to tell the head name or the surname of anyone, we use the. Now we shall learn where we should not use articles. Articles are not used before proper noun. Proper noun in the sense when we speak something particularly about any particular person, we do not use articles. Sachin Tendulkar is a cricketer. We cannot tell it as the Sachin Tendulkar or a Sachin Tendulkar. That will be wrong because Sachin Tendulkar is a proper noun. In the same way, we cannot tell the Narendra Modi. We say it directly as Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. Also, articles should not be used before abstract nouns. For example, honesty, kindness, anger, friendship, etc. Before all these words which are used to express feelings and expressions, these articles mustn't be used. Articles should not be used before material nouns. Material nouns are those which are used to determine the material of any object, like for example gold, silver, etc. In a sentence we can tell it as gold is a precious metal. Here gold is a material noun, but we do not tell it as the gold or a gold or an gold. It is just gold. We cannot survive without water. Here also you can see that water is a material and we do not use any article with this noun. But sometimes we also say it as the water in the jug is chilled. Why do we use the here? Because we are specifying to a particular water which is in the jug. Dear children, I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you.